Hello everyone! Today I want to talk to you about lace. I know that I show you a lot of lace items, but I can't help myself. I love lace. This is the original French lace. It's dark blue and it's absolutely amazing. I wanted to have a close look at it. I think that it's very beautiful. Have a look at the scallops on one side and on the other. It's very convenient to work with such lace. You can cut thin stripes and attach them to tops and dresses, for example. Cut the lace in stripes and use them to decorate items. Have a look at this piece of lace once again. It looks great, and the structure is also very good. Notice that it doesn't stretch. Very beautiful. This is French Sophia-led lace. I showed you the lace, and now let's have a look at the pantsuit and the dress decorated with it. Both the dress and the suit are made of the same fabric. First I'll show them to you on the dummies, and then I'll put the items on the table to show you the wrong side. Have a look at the dress and the pantsuit. First we'll be talking about the dress. The dress was made using the 10 measurement cutting system. A customer's bust is pretty big, so we had to put the 2 bras on the dummy. Have a look at the neckline. There are scallops both on the neckline and on the bottom. Notice that there is a single stripe of lace with scallops attached to the neckline. It was stitched with a zigzag hem. Have a look at the sleeves. Notice that there is no lining in them. They will look amazing on a body. Have a look at the sleeve once again. The sleeve head is gathered in such a way that it won't stick to an arm. Such sleeves are very comfortable. Notice that the direction of the scallops matches the shoulder seam. Very beautiful. Have a look at the bottom. The scallops on the neckline were made on purpose, but the ones on the bottom are original. Have a close look at the dress. Next I'll put it on a table to show you the wrong side. After that, I'll show you the pantsuit. I wanted to understand that there were a lot of different ways to use lace in sewing. Of course, the items will look much better on a body than on a dummy. Anyway, I think that it's good to see a review of an amazing item at least on a dummy. Now I need to unzip the dress to take it off. Notice that there's a crotchet here. The dress is made of silk. The silk is pretty strong, so I think that there's some viscose in the structure. Have a close look at the center back seam. It's edged from the very top till the very bottom. Notice that even the zipper is edged. Have a close look at this part. The side seams were edged the same way. Absolutely amazing. Have a look at the neckline. Notice that it had been edged, and then the scallops were stitched to it this way. I remind you that when making lace items, you should make tucks with lace. The tucks are pretty wide because of the big bust. The parts of the tucks were cut, and then the tucks were edged. The dress is pretty expensive. French lace, silk of a good quality. Anyway, such dress would cost much more in a fashion boutique. We can sew for ourselves. Now let's have a look at the pantsuit. I'm not going to tell you anything about these pants. I just wanted to see how they look like together with the jacket. Have a look at the sleeves. They are of a very good form. They are not straight, but a bit round. Have a close look at the jacket. Notice that the lace yokes on the shoulders are not lined. There are scallops on the shoulders. All the other details of the jacket are lined. Have a look at the neckline. Stand collar, lapels. Have a look here once again. A stand collar turns into a lapel. Very beautiful. Notice how perfectly the stand collar fits the neck. The angles of the lapels are sharp and very beautiful. Next, I'll put the jacket on the table to show you the wrong side. There are princess seams on the front and on the back. There is also a seam on the center back. The most interesting detail in this jacket is this yoke on the shoulders. Notice that in the shoulders, the lace is stitched right to lace. Anyway, the shoulders are of a good form. This is because the seams are edged on the wrong side. I wanted to realize that there were a lot of different ways to use lace in sewing. This jacket is absolutely amazing. I was shocked when I saw it. The tailors of my fashion house did a great job working on it. The sleeves are lined till the lace level. Notice that all the details are edged separately. Yokes, armholes. Have a look here. The lining is stitched to the main fabric, and the lace is attached from the right side by hands. There is no seam on the wrong side. This part of the lace was stitched on a sewing machine. You can see a seam. Absolutely amazing. It makes me very happy to realize that the tailors of my fashion house can make such amazing items. There are no universal techniques for sewing different items. Guys, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid of experiments. This is how we create the techniques we show you. We experiment. The dress was very beautiful, but the jacket is absolutely amazing. Could you imagine that a classic line jacket can be that good? The yoke on the shoulders makes this jacket look pretty glamorous. There's nothing new in this jacket. Armholes, stand collar, lace, lapels, flaps on the pockets. Absolutely amazing. I want you to understand that you should practice. Practice makes perfect. You can watch 1,000 videos and read 1,000 books, but you won't be able to make an item of a good quality if you don't practice. Today I showed you a review of the dress and the pantsuit. I hope that this video will inspire you to create something new and beautiful. That's all for today. Don't be afraid of experiments. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.